Venki Tech Solutions by Real Time Expert.
Hello guys, welcome back to Venki Tech Solutions. This is Venki. In this video, we are going to learn about SQL introduction. Agenda of this video is what is SQL, user request flow, what SQL does, SQL syntax, SQL statements. These are all the things we are going to learn. First of all, we can learn about what is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is designed for managing data in database management system. I have already explained in my previous video what is RDBMS. RDBMS managing is nothing about we can create the database and we can insert the data into database. We can update the data. We can retrieve the data from the database. We can remove the data from the database. It's pronounced as SQL or sometimes SQL. See, we can call SQL or else we can call as SQL as well. SQL is a database language. It is used for database creation, deletion, fetching rows, and modifying rows, etc. This is nothing but managing. It is common language for all backend technologies. I have mentioned below backend technologies which is following DBMS, database management system, MS SQL, Oracle, MS Access, database, Informatica, Sybase, Informatica, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server. These all backend technologies using SQL as standard database language. So if you learn about SQL, you can get grip on all these backend technologies. And it is easy to learn and use. It is similar to English language. So why I am calling as English similar to English language? Whatever commands or keywords which is used to SQL, these all like English words. Like you can take as select, insert, update, delete, drop, etc. Next, user request flow. User is nothing but whoever having access with the database, those are the users. In one database, many users can be created. So if they want to do any manipulation with the database, manipulation is nothing but loading data, retrieving data, modifying data, and deleting data. I have already mentioned here, they have to perform with the query tools. There are many tools is available. SQL plus, SQL Developer, Toad, PL/SQL Developer, SQL Navigator. But SQL plus, which is installed automatically while you are installing Oracle software. These are SQL plus client. SQL Developer. This tool is very important, which is used many of the IT companies in IT sector. We also using in real time SQL Developer and sometimes we will use SQL Plus. But we are not using Toad, PL/SQL and SQL Developer as I am working in IT sector. These two SQL Developer is most important. You have to learn about this. This here I have mentioned this is the collection of objects in database. There will be available many of the objects like table, views, procedure, this and all, sequence, synonym, etc. Next, what SQL does. With SQL, we can query our database in several ways using English-like statements. As I told, there are commands or keywords which is used to perform actions to the database. Those commands like as English only. Yes, with SQL, a user can access data from relational database management system. By using SQL, we can have access to the database. Then it allows to the user to describe the data. See what type of data you want to store and how he want to store and which object he need to store it. Based on that, he can store it. That is describe how he has to describe. So by using SQL, he can able to describe the data in database. It allows the user to define the data in the database and manipulate it when it needed. For example, he already stored in the data. He defined the rules and he already stored data into database. So whenever he need it, by that time he can manipulate. It allows the user to create and drop database and table. It is nothing but by using SQL we can create, we can drop the tables, we can drop the objects, everything like procedure functions, synonyms, these and all we can drop. We can create and drop. It allows to users to create a view stored procedure function. Stored procedures and function, these are like PLSQL concepts. View, we can create any object with by using SQL. But once you created, for example, that will allocate it to you your schema only. Schema is nothing but every user having some individual schema. Nothing but every user. So I have created one database object. For that no one can access you because that is belongs to me. If I want to give particular object like a particular table or procedure access to anyone, I can able to provide. They only can able to access. Until unless I have provided the access, they can't able to access. That is, it allows to the users to set permissions on a table, procedures and views, etc. Next, SQL syntax. SQL follows some unique set of rules and guidelines called syntax. So, whenever you are performing any action to the by using SQL, they have some set of rules defined based on the software in SQL. So, we have to follow that. SQL is not case sensitive. Generally, SQL keywords are written in uppercase. See, SQL commands like select, insert, update, delete, alter, drop, whatever you are giving keywords or table names, anything that is not case sensitive. You by generally everyone written as some people written as like key uppercase. That's not mandatory. Even if you enter as a smaller case also, that's not a problem because it's not case sensitive. Next, you can perform most of the actions in the database with SQL statements. Many of the actions, like any actions, creating, deletion, anything. If you want to retrieve, if you want to modify, if you want to move, if you want to give access to the particular users, anything you can do it by using SQL statements. Then how we have to write the SQL statements? That is SQL statement. SQL statements are started with any the SQL commands or keywords. We can call keywords or commands anything like select, insert, update, delete, and drop, alter, etc. And the statement ends with the column. It will begin with any keyword. It must be begin with any keyword of the SQL or command. Then it's end with semicolon. So this is the SQL introduction. So if you are watching my video on first time, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updates. If you have any doubts on this, please mention in comment section. I will certainly revert you on the doubts, or else I will create one more video with the doubts. If anyone is having like follower having more doubts, I will do one more video and upload it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.